Okay guys, this is a Freightliner Cascadia 2021. We had only 747 miles, but we got a problem here. So as soon as you turn the key, okay, and release, you got plenty of air, right? Is the problem. As soon as you release the parking brake, okay, I'm doing now, so you will see a message here that shows air brakes, and then right here on the dash that your air brakes are low on the tanks, see, and then brakes may drag. This is a temporary fix until you reach the dealer to get the sensor and replace it. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go underneath of the dash, okay, with the pedals are brakes and accelerator pedal, okay, and you will remove all the plastics here, okay, this one and all these two, okay, in order to access two sensors. Okay, here are many sensors that goes on the dash. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take out this one. This is a blue one, marked blue. Okay, right there you see it's marked blue. That the ones that control the air, the low air pressure. Okay, you take the plug out, okay, and then you will find a paper clip or a piece of cable like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, you're gonna go and breach the port, okay, and then after you breach this, the message it disappears. Okay, remember this is temporary. Okay, until you get the dealer, just to avoid the noise, the beeping noise. Okay, so now it's gone, so you can turn the truck. Okay, brakes are out, you see right there. Okay, you can turn on the truck and drive normally. Okay, so you can push brakes, okay, put in reverse, drive backward, okay, nothing appears, even the tanks brakes are low. It's not a problem. The message will come back, will not come back. But remember, this is temporary. Okay, problem is solved. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you need any question, just leave the comment below.